Today we are going to solve the remaining questions of exercise 4.2 and some more questions also, those who are very important in point of view the CBSE board. Now the first question is here: 1 plus a square minus b square 2b minus 2b 2ab 1 minus a square plus b square 2a 2b minus 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. We have to prove 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. ये जो क्वेश्चन है एक्सरसाइज 4.3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 13। अब इसको सब करना है। डी हम मान लिए, जो क्वेश्चन है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को डी मान। इसके बाद हम देखते क्या है इसमें कि ये 2ab है, तो 2ab को 0 लाने के लिए अगर हम R2 में AR3 A से इंटू करेंगे तो ये 1 0 आ रहा है, और इसमें अगर B से इंटू करके जोड़ते हैं तो ये 1 0 आ रहा है। यानी कि 2 0 अगर R1 गोज टू R1 प्लस BR3 करते हैं तो आ रहा है, और R2 गोज टू R2 माइनस AR3 कर रहे हैं तो आ रहा है। तो पहला काम हम यही करते हैं कि R1 गोज टू R1 प्लस BR3, R1 गोज टू R1 प्लस BR3, यानी कि इसमें B से इंटू करके इसमें जोड़ना। तो आप यहाँ देखिए, ये तो जो करके लिखे ये आता, इसमें b से इंटू करके इसमें जोड़ेंगे तो ये 2b स्क्वायर, तो 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर अब प्लस 2b स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, ये घट के 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर हो जाएगा। यहाँ इस माइनस 2a में b से इंटू करेंगे, इसको जोड़ेंगे तो 0 आ जाएगा। इसमें b से मल्टीप्लाई करके और माइनस 2b में जोड़ना, तो b से मल्टीप्लाई करके तो ये b आई माइनस 2, ये प्लस b और माइनस 2b माइनस b हो जाएगा। माइनस b माइनस a स्क्वायर b प्लस माइनस b क्यूब होगा, तो यहाँ माइनस b कॉमन लेंगे तो 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर हो जाएगा। सेकेंड R2 में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, R2 गोज टू R2 माइनस AR3, R2 गोज टू R2 माइनस AR3, दैट मीन्स इस R2 में इसमें A से इंटू करके घटाना है, तो 2ab इसमें A से इंटू किए, इस सब में A से इंटू करके घटाते जाना है, सिंपल सा बात है। तो इसमें अगर A से इंटू करके घटाएंगे तो ये 0, फिर इसमें A से इंटू करके और घटाएंगे तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा, तो प्लस 2a स्क्वायर और माइनस a स्क्वायर, तो ये 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर हो गया। इसके बाद इसमें फिर a से इंटू किए हैं तो ये a माइनस a क्यूब माइनस a b स्क्वायर, इसमें से घटाएंगे तो 2a में से अगर a घटेगा माइनस है तो प्लस a हो जाएगा। उसी तरह से ये सब प्लस हो जाएगा, a क्यूब a b स्क्वायर, इसमें ये कॉमन ले लेंगे 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर। अब R1 में देख रहे हैं कि 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर है, और R2 में भी है, तो वी आर गोइंग टू टेकिंग 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर फ्रॉम R1 एंड 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर फ्रॉम R2। R1 से और R2 से दोनों से हम 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर कॉमन लेंगे। हियर व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट, 1 0 माइनस 0 1 a 2b माइनस 2a 1 माइनस a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर। अब now see here, that is the 2b, we have to find the 0 here, also 2 times right here whole square. You can write taking common 1 plus a square plus b square from R1 and R2 respectively. In this we have to, what was the procedure? It has been dealt earlier in earlier questions. We have to got 2 0. So here there is 2b and 1. If you will multiply 2b in R1 and subtract from R3, then it becomes 0. We are going to do that work. 1 plus a square plus b square, right here. 1 0 minus b, 0 1 a. R3 goes to R3 minus 2b R1. Multiply by 2b, it becomes 0. 2b 0, it will be same 2a. Here it will multiply by 2b, that is the minus. Minus minus plus, it will be multiplied. 2b is minus 2b square. It becomes plus 1 minus a square plus b square. Yeah. Expand the given matrix through C1. Whole square is here. 1 plus a square plus b square. Along C1 it will be expand it, then the R1 and C1 will be left. The result will be here 1, the R1 and C1. 1a minus 2a, 1 minus a square plus b square. Whole square is here. 1 plus a square plus b square, whole square. Expand it to be 1 minus a square plus b square and plus 2a square. 1 plus a square plus b square का whole square becomes 1 plus a square plus b square plus 2a square minus a square. Result will be 1 plus a square plus b square का whole cube. And this is the RHS proved. So that is the question. Just take the screenshot and next question. The next question is from NCERT examiner. Also it's important, so many times it has been asked in CBSE board. See, the question is in a triangle ABC, if 1 1 1 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos B, 1 plus cos C, cos A plus cos square A, cos B plus cos square B, cos C plus cos square C equal to 0. Then prove that triangle ABC is isosceles. Now just we have to solve. Let D equal to 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos B, 1 plus cos C, cos A plus cos square A, cos B plus cos square B, and cos C plus cos square C. Here 1 1 1, just I am going to write here R1 R2 goes to R2 minus R1. Then what will be the result? Will be 1 1 1. For simplification, it will be cos A, cos B and cos C. Right here cos A plus cos square B, cos square A cos B plus cos square B and cos C plus cos square C. Again R3 goes to R3 minus R4. See here, what will be the, will be 1 1 1 cos A cos B cos C cos square A cos square B and cos square C. Are you observing here? It's the cos B cos A cos C. Now here 1 1 and 1. To get two regular zero, we are going to subtract C1 goes to C1 minus C2 and C2 goes to C2 minus C3. Next, C1 goes to C1 minus C2 and C2 goes to C2 minus C3. So what will be result? 1 minus 1 0, cos A minus cos B, cos B, and cos square A minus cos square B. 0, cos B minus cos C, cos square B minus cos square C. It has been written C1 goes to C1 minus C2 and C2 goes to C2 minus C3. One cos C cos square C here. Expand it along the R1, along R1. Then 1 will be left here. First one, column 3. Then result will be cos A minus cos B, cos B minus cos C, cos square A minus cos square B, cos square C, cos square B minus cos square C. Equal to, since D is 0, since D equal to 0, then it will be 0. If we will take common cos A minus cos B and cos B minus cos C, then expansion will be cos A minus cos B minus cos C, then it will be 1 1 cos A plus cos B and cos B plus cos C. So cos A minus cos B minus cos C, here cos B plus cos C, cos A minus cos B will be cancelled. It will be cos C minus cos A equal to 0. So since what you observing here, so cos A minus cos B minus cos C into cos C minus cos A equal to 0. So all these are factors. So since cos A minus cos B equal to 0, so this implies that cos A equal to cos B, therefore A equal to B. Similarly, B equal to C and C equal to B. In any triangle, if though two angles are equal, then corresponding sides will be also equal. If suppose that is the triangle A B C, A equal to B, angle A equal to B, then the opposite angle of B and opposite angle of C will be equal. Side will be equal. That means BC equal to, so therefore BC equal to AC. BC equal to AC. Similarly, if B equal to C, if B equal to C, ये और करके होता है. तो B equal to C अगर होगा, B equal to C, तो opposite sides of AC equal to AB. And C equal to A, opposite C का AB और A का BC, AB. So that means the given triangle is isosceles. The given triangle is isosceles. You can write here. Therefore, triangle ABC is isosceles. Okay. Now the next question. Take the screenshot fastly. Next question. Also, it's the important questions. It's from example, but so many times it has been asked in the CBSE exams, so it's important for examination point of view. Prove that 1 plus A, 1 plus B, 1 and 1 plus C equal to ABC 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C, or equal to ABC plus BC plus AC plus AB. We have to prove that. So for proving, let D equal to 1 plus A 1 plus B 1 plus C. Here take the common A, B and C from first row, first column and second row. It will be A, B, C. 1 plus 1 by A, it will be 1 by A, 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 plus 1 by B, 1 by B, 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 plus 1 by C. Taking A, B and C common from R1, R2 and R3 respectively. And now in next step we are going to add the R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 goes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So right here R1 goes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then what will be the result here? It will be A, B, C 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Everywhere 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C, 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. R1 goes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. And sets will be same, 1 by B, 1 plus 1 by B, 1 by B, 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 plus 1 by C. Are you observing here? 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is everywhere in R1. We can take the common from R1. 1 plus 7. So here right, take the common. A, B, C. And from R1 we have taken the common 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Remaining will be right in same way. It will be 1, 1, 1, 1 by B, 1 plus 1 by B, 1 by B, 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 plus 1 by C. That is the C1, C2 and C3. If we will be subtract C1 goes to C1 minus C2 and C2 goes to C2 minus C3, then the result A, B, C right here, 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C, C1 minus C2, so then it will be 0, it will be 1 here, minus 1 by B, minus 1 and 0. C2 minus C3, 0, 1 and minus 1. 1, 1 by B, 1 plus 1 by C. And expand it along R1. If you will expand it along R1, then what will be the result? ABC right here, 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C, and that R1 and C3 will be left. Result will be here 1, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1. Multiply it, it becomes 1 minus 0, that means A, B, C into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 0. That becomes 1 and multiply by ABC, then result will be ABC plus BC plus AC plus AB. So both, that is the RHS. It has been proved. So that is the also an important question for the examination point of view. Next question, one more question. One question just I want to observe, it will be finished. Very short. It has been asked from one student. I have forgotten. The question was A minus B minus C, 2B to C, to A, B minus C minus A, to C, to A to B. C minus A minus B. We have to prove A plus B plus C का whole cube. It's very easy. Are you observing here? It's D. Just I am taking here, let it's D or left hand side also you can write here. There is no need to LHS. And directly I am going to write here R1 goes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Yeah, if we will add both, then it becomes same. So same is required always. If you will be get 1 1 1, then solving will be easy. So here, if you will be add R1 plus R2 plus R3, then result will be A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. A plus B plus C everywhere. Take the common A plus B plus C from R1. The result will be 1, 1, 1. 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. Now C1 goes to C1 minus C2 and C2 goes to C2 minus C3. Then 2, 0 will be found here easily. 1 minus 1, 0. 2B minus B minus C minus A. It will be minus A plus B plus C. If it will be subtract it, then A plus B plus C now. C1 minus C2 minus B plus plus C. 2C minus 2C, it will be also 0. 1 C2 minus C3, 1 minus 1, 0. B minus C minus A, it becomes A plus B plus C. Minus 2B minus A plus B plus C. And if we take 2C, the 2C minus C minus A plus B, A plus B plus C. 1, 2B, C minus A minus B. So from R1 we can take A plus B plus C common, and from R2 A plus B plus C common. Then it becomes A plus B plus C whole cube. It's 0, 0, 1, 1 minus 1 2B, and 0, 1, C minus A minus B. Now expand it along R1. What will be the result if we will expand it from R1? Then A plus B plus C ka whole cube. Here the C3 ends, R1 will be left 1 into 1 minus 0. And that is the result, A plus B plus C the whole cube. It's the RHS. I think the most of important question from NCERT and NCERT exemplar I have solved. If you will be solved carefully, then you can solve the all question of determinant. If there will be any problem, then you may ask. I will solve. Thanks and have a nice day.